Yo guys, me mama kwa baba Emadek TV. So hi Emadek TV. Send that be a mechanic no. So first time oh share Emadek TV and patch na wa subscribe my na wa share na wa like na wa leave comment. Na wa di ho dance ache obi so na meka Emadek abusuakuo no ho. Video bi trend video bi trend. So wa uni se me dem ba na se me nya hu bibia me ntimi mfa nhye me nkwa me ho. Se me de ba na mo so mo hwe bi. Video bi trend I date rush for. So I make a date rush when you do your guy be afraid too sure. And I may say, Adia, why you know? Adia, why you know? I will be our one. Be sure someone will share video na be your one. Only me say date rush, the over date rusher. A your more or moon date. No, or my ready say or more pay dates. Na a course one night my hour. Sana date rush at ye. Se wo date na wo mfele se obeba screen dia wetimi akọ date rush na tushi okọ ye no okoka se onware ye ama nyame adom o scene mu ama wanya date na tushi onya date wie ya na ehu se pictures bi fro ye ko hwe ya sa tushi o de ono wa ware ni pictures ni wedding pictures Afro social media and also say to issue aware. Nti who say what do you call it? Date rational. So mu ye wie na munya mu date na ya omo frɛ mu nyina na mo ni mu di nkomo se na date na mo call ye ne se na sitie o date na wunya no o ye good ana so e to mo ye no edu to issue so mu bisa na question no mu yi pictures ne ba ye afede na to issue I confused. I confused who asem a wonka I confused afede umbisa say waware o ka kire o say the answer is yes or no but ono say I didn't come here with nobody ke I confused me pese me kire video lu mu bebre wo ye ko ne enko hwe video ni na ba ne ye di ho nkobo o me ko video ni mra
Why worry? Almost why worry? Because video be buy and there were some pictures online. Almost too sure.
The pictures the video buy. Me invite you baby.
I don't know. I don't know why he keeps denying the fact. And when someone is lying, you know, I asked you a question. Are you married? And then you be like, like, are you married? It's a yes or no question.
Wait, hold on.
Go beating about the bush.
We are putting a picture up on there. Wait. Let me ask for the last time. Mr.
Nuhu.
Mr. Nuhu, aka Mr. Nuhu Mahama, aka Tushio. Are you married?
No.
Married, no choice. Why worry?
Giovanni T. What it?
He has started. Yes or no?
No, wait for me. Wait, you can't force me.
Okay.
Even me myself, I don't understand.
Okay.
Those who are talking, I never invite anybody anywhere.
All right, hold on. So he says, ladies and gentlemen, we are also saying this because we don't want people to take advantage of our platform. You understand? We're a bit serious here. And the thing is that when we come for day trust, especially the screening, we ask you guys to come once you're 18 and above and you're single and willing to be loved. And you're not shy to show this to the rest of the world on TV, come. That's what we do. So it's an open call to everybody.
So mahu video no. Oh. Nti ka wo pa wo na wo stage so aka be there. But too sure ya ade bi e ma judges ni nyina obia edwae. Omo hwe nyina obia edwae. E ba sa na questions ne ba na ase na ni mu gu ase na de be ya ne say be ma ontimi ntra ho be say otwi form so no ko. E na osore call ye. Tushi osore call ye no ana osan so ba back no maka se na so tushi ba be san so be tena se ene yedi nkomode a Mimi Giovanni me sore akọ mummy enhwe ba bi a tushi osore call ye no embra.
I mean the pictures we saw, the lady in the picture.
Giovanni, please.
I need a microphone for her.
Calm down. I did not come here with anybody, so I don't know.
Okay, that's the thing. You didn't come here with anybody, but I brought somebody.
You brought somebody in what way?
Too short. Madam, Kasantana too short. Why is she? Pacha unim nana. Give her the mic. Hello, madam. How are you?
Hi.
Madam, what's your name? Guys, silence, please. We are live on TV. Okay, too many people talking to me, guys. Too many people. Too many people. Madam, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Please, you are live on TV. What's your name? Can you introduce yourself to us?
Mabel Jewabuama, Mrs. Mahama.
How long have you? Hello, madam. Hello, madam. Please, do you know the young man here? Quiet guys. Quiet, silence, guys. Madam, please, do you know the young man we have here? No. Who is it to you?
He's my husband.
It's your husband.
Yeah.
So the pictures we display, the photos we display on the screen is true.
Yeah.
That was your traditional marriage.
Yeah.
How long have you been together?
2 years.
Wow.
Do you have children or a child?
Yeah, a child. A girl.
How old?
8 months.
That's...
Me, I want to make Canada and Tiasio.
Ah.
David,
But I don't know.
Me see me kwana me buy ho. Me nyami no bi na buy. To me ana me Tiasio no.
Giovanni, Lilly Brown is actually in tears. It has ended in premium tears. And
Lilly Brown.
Honestly, it's not like we are in a relationship or I'm in love with you, but all my life, I don't want to be the reason for another woman's unhappiness. And she's even pregnant. Like, this is
what just happened? Honestly, Giovanni, this is very disrespectful of Tushaw, if you ask me, because he could have simply said that, okay, I'm married, maybe this and that. He may have his reasons, but to walk off is totally unacceptable.
And also, hello. Hello. All right, Date Raj. I know. Sometimes you want to have fun on reality shows. I mean, this is an entertaining platform, but again, we want to be very, very serious with what we stand for. You know, at the end of the day, you're legally married to someone, and I also understand that based on his religion, he's allowed to marry more than one. All we want to know is for you to make that clear to us that you're here on our platform looking for a second wife.
So watch a video no. Tuesday sorry or call ya no buy no unu no say any kwan say was sorry no sounds back but almost prince so man bet na ho but opa chew epa ne yere na omode ne ba ho no ne na ware na chew even omo ba 8 months na wo ba date rush wo be dey ena Giovanni kan no say ebia obetima ka say marriage kire me say men ware 2 men ware 3 nti me wo yere ba me be pay date for fraka on the only problem ti opo mu nyina chew epa ge na onya no date rush no so achew nti say na date rush na kwesi ye tuisu ani ngwase a okogu wo ho.
I hear he's legally allowed to do so. So we're not here fighting second marriage, but
I don't think he should come back.
I don't think so too.
I don't think Tushaw should take his seat again.
Okay, so if Tushaw is back, I'm out.
Tushaw, no. Because we are having a conversation. Oba Giovanni so please go back. If there's any apology or anything, you have to apologize.
No, she'll give me attitude. She give me attitude. She give me attitude. She give me attitude. She give me attitude.
Giovanni, I think we owe Mrs. Mahama an apology.
Madam, we are very sorry. All right, Mrs. Mahama, we're very, very sorry. We didn't have this info before. Sometimes we only work with what the contestants or our people tell us on the show. This will never happen again. We take full responsibility of this as a network, as a station. We apologize to you and your family, and especially those who were there. And I want Tushaw to apologize to the wife. and the child.
Yeah.
Lilly also, but yes, it's very clear that they've not started anything yet, but it still doesn't warrant that behavior towards her. So Lilly, we are so sorry about that as well. We apologize. Too sure, please do the honorable thing. Too sure, Mr. Panacho. Why?
Toby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's true that I have a wife.
Commercial break, I guess. Commercial break.
Too sure. I still maintain that you should not come on.
Lilly.
I still maintain that you should not come on.
Yeah.
No. Lilly, very sorry that you have to go through this and find
Giovanni,
this whole thing this way.
Boss.
I also want to apologize to
Anita, I'm very sorry. Lilly Brown, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Crown onya o date rush. Ti me try say mo amoso mo girls and I say mo promise amanfo a mo san so akọ date rush no say na too sure. Ege mi aga mi ni bo hwa kasa da ka meyila me nanti o ka me metu ana meyila afiri ho ti be sro enkoje sa ni ngwase ni bi aha Emadek TV hara me di mo besi say na da bia me kan me pa cho subscribe na share na leave you comment na di ho adanse chiro obi so meka Emadek abusuako no aya me kan we aya amanfo nim se me boa me si ha oba Emadek na be ka so oba johnny abusuako na ya ma wuso dware ma wadwane di e ma ba bi da na wi asan so ma phone say je na san so hwe we wunya no ba bi ai say Emadek TV edi a meje so ane CEO u share ma fam CEO ba ko pe aha na me di mbesi se na da bia me ye no yesi yeti ase na ya bompa ye na ya ka kire mo say ya eden yapon